with the gang, 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 gang. Always rep the gang.
What's good, my pawns? It's your boy King CeeLo. If you're new, you know what to do. Smack that subscribe button for our brother. Now, today, I don't know why I got hype right there, because it's just an intro. But today, coming at y'all with another curly hair tutorial video. Keyword there, another curly hair tutorial video, because I already have a curly hair tutorial video on my channel, but since people at my school keep asking me and they're too lazy to look at the recent video, I am forced to make another curly hair tutorial video. The products I use is pretty simple, it's not expensive, it's not none of that. You can't afford this, then just click off the video right now. If you can't afford this, it's probably other ways you can get it. So, yeah, you probably still click off the video. But yeah, today I'm gonna show you guys how to get curly hair. It's pretty simple. I don't use nothing but Cantu, whatever, so keyword there, Cantu. So you already got Cantu, then it's a plus. You're already in the right direction towards this video. Yeah, without further ado, I'm pretty sure you guys are hearing me talk. I'm tired of hearing me talk already. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into the steps on how to get the curls, which gets you the girl. That was cringy. Let me turn off the camera. Alright, y'all, let's go ahead and get right into this video. The first thing you guys will need is not really something you need for the hair, but it's something to protect your clothing. Cause you see, got on my True Religion shirt. I just got out the barbershop. I just came back from the barbershop. So you're wondering, did I touch my hair? No, I just washed it before I went to the barbershop, whatever. Don't ask me why I did that. Just sometimes I happen to wash my hair before I go to the barbershop. Speaking of washing hair, I'm gonna show you guys the products I use for washing my hair. The shampoo I use is this regular Cantu shampoo. You can find this at Walgreens or Walmart, wherever you go. It's this natural hair. Cantu is cheap, it's not that much expensive. Next thing I use is this Cantu conditioner. It's not leave-in conditioning. However, you are gonna need leave-in conditioning. That's a big tip for this video. You also get this at Walgreens or whatever. This is a big step as well. It's not as big as the leave-in conditioner, but this is also a big step on how to get curls. So I recommend you guys go buy this. You don't necessarily need this stuff. You want your curls to look very, very well and like stable and all that. I recommend you get this and get pretty much just stick to one product. This goes for anybody. It's not good to mix in products too much. It's okay to use it every now and then, but don't mix in products a lot. I learned that it's not the way to go. The last thing I use is this Shea. I'm not sure what this is. My mama uses it sometimes, but it works. So whatever this is called, Shea, strengthen and grow, whatever it is, strengthens your hair just so your hair won't be loose and soft and all that, so your hair won't like fall out or whatever. It's just healthy for your hair, so just get this as well. Now that the washing products are out the way, let's go ahead and get straight into the stuff you need for the curls. You guys should have your towel on by now. First thing you want to do is turn on your water. So I'm on a stool right now because I didn't have no good stand, whatever. I'm going to be sitting on the stool pretty much the whole video, so yeah, get used to this adjustment, whatever, because I'm not gonna stay crouched the whole video. That's a no. Go ahead and turn on your water. I prefer cold water because cold water is more, it helps better with your hair. So yeah, let's use the cold water. Ask me later why cold water works, because really I don't know. I just know what's good for your hair. I'm not a hair modelist. I just know what is right for your hair. So make sure you're using cold water right now. Not super cold where it's gonna like make you jump or whatever. Just make sure it's cold enough where it's warm. Just make sure it's coolish, warmish. Just make sure the water is right for your hair. That's all I'm gonna say. First product you guys need for this video for the curls is this Shea coconut curling jelly or whatever. This makes your hair soft. It's mostly for women. It's not no gay stuff or nothing. Just trust me, guys. You ain't gonna look gay with this. It's gonna make your curls stick out a lot, and you're gonna be like, ooh, who that dude right there, or whatever. You know what I'm saying? So like, it's gonna make your curls stand out, which is what I'm really trying to say. The second product you're gonna need, and this is the biggest step in this video, is this Cantu leave-in conditioner. This is the, if you don't have any product in this video, this is the one product you must have. Last thing you guys would need is this Cantu coconut curling cream. Now that those 3 products are out the way, you guys want to go ahead and wet your hair. I prefer you go ahead and get in the shower and do it, because the shower is a lot better. But you can do it like me in the sink, because either way it works, but you can get more water all over your hair. If you guys don't want to get in the shower, you gotta dip the shower, whatever, and you can go ahead and use the sink like I'm using. So make sure you guys wet all your hair, because if your hair is not all the way wet, your curls might not come out the way you want it to be. So it's important that you get all over. Make sure you get everywhere in your hair, because it's important to get all of your hair wet. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm gonna go ahead and wet my hair. Alright, y'all, now that y'all wet y'all hair, y'all wanna go ahead and use the jelly. Y'all wanna get a good amount, a fair amount. Might have to use this 2 times, but go ahead and get about that amount right there. And then y'all wanna rub it like that. It is loose, so make sure it stays in your hand. Make sure it's in your hand like that. You just want to get it all over your hair like that. It's already gonna curl it up because it is curling jelly. It's already getting curly, like I said. Y'all want to get another round a little bit. Just get a little bit more right there. That's about good enough right there. Get that. Go another round all over the place. I got that everywhere. Y'all want to go ahead and use your master key. Y'all want to use this right here. This is the best product in this video. You guys got a lot of hair like me. You want to go ahead and get that about that much right there. I might get a little bit more, because it is a lot of hair. Alright, y'all, my camera got full, so I had to go ahead and restart the video or whatever. So make sure your hair is wet, and make sure you got about that much of Cantu right there. And then rub it together like this. Just like that. Make sure your hair is wet, by the way. You want to have about that much. You got as much hair as me. Like that. And then you just want to go all over the place. You want to go crazy with this. And make sure you guys detangle your hair. That is the best part in this video to do. Is detangle as you're rubbing it through. What I mean by detangle is get your hands like that. And then just act like you're picking through your hair. You got to pick that also helps as well. This ain't the best part of the video yet, so wait until you see what's next to do. Go like that. You guys gotta make sure you get this everywhere. This is important if you want the curls, for real. So now that you got that like that, you guys wanna shake your hair. Now this right here is what's gonna make your hair curly. Once you got it curly like that, you guys either wanna get in the shower and shake, cause I'm not gonna get water everywhere. And you just want to go crazy. You want to go left to right. And I want to go back and forth.
He tried it.
Just like that. Oh! Let me do it in the shower. Pick up my camera. It is curling some light, bro. Got bad light in this bathroom, I'm sorry. But that's the best view right there. As you guys can tell, my hair is curly. You're not done yet though, so this is the aftermath of what you use. I think you shake your hair or whatever. But now what you guys want to do is get your curling cream. You don't even need a lot of this stuff right here. You guys want to get something like that. And now what you guys want to do is rub your hands together like this. Make sure you got it like that, and then just go back and forth. You don't even rub it, you just pretty much spread it on your hair. I've got to tell you guys, it does help if you got a spray bottle as well, because your hair does dry as you shaking your hair. Alright, y'all. I got my spray bottle now, so now just want to spray all over your hair. Now what you guys can do is go ahead and grab your towel and then rub all that white stuff out your hair, just like that. Don't worry, it ain't gonna look at the way I'm doing it. It's not gonna mess up the curls. All you need to do is add a little bit more water, and your curls will be back in a second. So just make sure you get all the white stuff out for the most part. And now Get your spray bottle again. Make sure it's cold water in here too. And spray. Now what you guys want to do is go ahead and grab a pick. I'm not sure if I said you need a pick. It helps if you got a pick. So just go through your hair like this. And then pull out. Not actually going through your hair, you just sticking it in halfway. Don't take that in the wrong way. Just like that. And then pull out. Same for the front. Just like that. Pull out. That. Pull out. Alright, y'all. As you guys can tell, it's curly. I wish I had more light because you really can't tell in this bathroom. But trust me, if you guys use the products, it will work. Alright, y'all. That's pretty much it for the video. Like I said, it ain't really a lot of light, so I really can't tell. These guys can't really see my curls like that. But trust me, it is curly. So if you guys use it, your hair will get curly. And just give me y'all over what your hair should look like if you did this, use this right. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is exactly what I do. I do this every day. Well, now except the jelly claw, I forgot to tell you guys this. You guys do not want to use this every day, because if you use it every day, it will start making your hair lay down more, and it will not. You will see less curls. I actually put too much jelly in this video because, as you guys can tell, my curls is laying down. You guys want to make sure you wash your hair Mondays and Fridays is what I do. So make sure you guys wash your hair Mondays and Fridays, because if you keep on using the same products, it's gonna lead to build up or whatever. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys like the video and it helped, go ahead and leave a thumbs up in this video and go ahead and subscribe, like I said at the beginning of the video. But yeah, until then, it's your boy King CeeLo signing out.